Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Ahmed. Today we're going to be making a really simple recipe. We're going to be making a delicious cold pasta salad. Now, many of us have been indoors for the last couple of weeks because of COVID-19. We're trying to do the right thing, stay indoors and protect ourselves, our families and everybody else. This recipe is really simple. It uses a ton of pantry ingredients and you can customize it any way you wish. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. Let's start with the dressing. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes into my food processor. These are the kind that are preserved in oil. I find these more pliable and they're easier to process when they're soaked in oil. I'm also going to be adding a 1/4 cup of black Kalamata olives, 1 tablespoon of capers, and a 1/2 cup of bottled roasted peppers. I'm also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now, if you wish, you can also use the oil that the sun-dried tomatoes came in. I'm going to put the lid on and I'm going to process this. In a pot of boiling salted water, I'm going to add 500 grams of penne. You can use any kind of pasta that you have on hand. I'm going to cook this according to the package instructions. Once the pasta is cooked, I'm just going to drain it and I'm going to allow it to cool. Now for the assembly. You can take a lot of liberties with this recipe. In my bowl, I'm going to add all of my cooked pasta. And I'm going to top it with all of the processed dressing. Mix this well to coat the pasta. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes. I just chopped these tomatoes into little slivers this time. I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of black olives, a 1/2 cup of cherry tomatoes that I just cut in half, a 1/2 cup of chopped parsley, a 1/2 cup of feta, a 1/2 cup of Parmesan, and I'm going to add salt and pepper to taste. Mix this well together and this is ready to serve. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for cold pasta salad. It's really delicious. You can even have it. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for cold pasta salad. I made it vegetarian, but you can add any protein to it as you wish. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, so you're the first to see all of the videos that I upload. Also, if you love the content that I put out there, do share it with your family and friends so they can enjoy all of these great recipes as well. And for fun times, follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Till I see you next time, please stay safe. Take care. Bye.